Hey friends, if you wish to reinstall Realtek audio on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's how you can reinstall Realtek audio on your computer. Search for it in the Windows search bar. It's not on the Microsoft Store. So search for Realtek HD Audio Manager, and then you can go to the Realtek website and install it. Wait, click on the download symbol. I accept the above and download this file, and then enter the captcha here. Okay, it's going to be a little difficult for me to figure, but okay, click on submit. It will start downloading the folder, and then you can install it. It's a huge zip file, so you can it will need a lot of time for installation. But once it is installed, you can once it is downloaded, you can install the Realtek audio drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.